Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a CV online. Here you can go and type flow CV, and this one is the official website flowcv.com, free online resume builder. You can go here and then click start now. Here you can select different templates as well as you can start from scratch. So let me find out some templates from here. This one is the template that I want to use. Use this template. You can import the resume as well as you can start from blank. Click here. Now here you can add your detail. Here you can use pencil icon and then you can add the name. Let me add name. Then title. You can add any of the title. Here you can add the photo. So let me add some random photo. Then here you can add email. Let me add something just for the demo. Here you can add phone number. Then add the location. Then scroll down. Here you can add more details like your social media platforms. Also you can add nationality, website, date of birth, as well as gender details. Click on show more. After that click done. Then add the content. Here you can add education, profile, experience, skills, and anything. So let me select this one, profile. Here you can add some content. So now let me go here and generate the content using AI. Generate one paragraph content for CV profile on WordPress tab. Let me copy this content and add it here. Then click done. Here you can add more profile details as well as click on content. You can add your skills. So let me add this skill. WordPress. Here you can add something like sub skills as we add subtitles. Then click done. You can add more skills. For example, let me add search engine optimization. Then click done. After that add more content. Here you can add your experience, WordPress developer. Add the company name here. Enable website design. Here you can add the date, start date. For example, let me add this one. End date, present, city, Punjab. After that here you can add some description, then click done. Then add the content. Here you can add languages. Let me add language English. Here you can select the level. Let me select this one and then add the entry. Select the level native, then click done. Here you can add these things. After that you can click on download button and then create your free account. Select one of the Gmail. Allow the access. And then here you can see CV is ready. You can open it. You can also customize the CV according to your requirement.